Namaste, I am Acharya Pratishtha, and today we are going to talk about a major problem our women, girls, youngsters are facing, which is leuchorrhea. Commonly known as the problem of white discharge. Now let us understand, how do we know? See, generally some discharge from your vagina is absolutely natural. But how do we know that this is the problem of leuchorrhea? So let's talk about the symptoms of leuchorrhea. One is if you are getting discolored discharge from your vagina, if you are getting too much discharge from your vagina, if the discharge is having bad smell, if you are facing backache, if you are facing body ache, if you are facing at a younger age that your body growth has been not so good, is not going so good, if you feel some hormonal disturbance, yes, you might have leuchorrhea problem. Now, before we jump on to what yogic practices you need to do, let's talk about some very easy home remedies that we must follow, that we must do, we must adapt in our day-to-day life. First is we need to detox ourselves. And what can be the best way to detox ourselves than having ample water? Especially young girls at their growing up age, they are too much ignorant about proper intake of water. So we need to make sure that we drink 3 to 4 liters of water every day. Best is if you can have coconut water, if you can add coconut water in your diet. 1 coconut water a day is one of the wonderful remedy, not only for white discharge and leuchorrhea, but for many other problems. So make sure that you have coconut water in your diet, add coconut water in your diet. You should add yogurt in your diet. Dahi, curd is one of the best food you can eat. You must eat some steamed vegetables, not always cooked and overcooked vegetables. Must have one diet of either steamed vegetables or raw vegetables, which is very, very important. Then you need to add some bananas in your diet, especially the ripe bananas, or overripe bananas are also good for you. So make sure that you add some bananas in your diet. And one very, very important thing is that we must not eat too much of chili, too much of spicy food, and too much of salty and too many peanuts we should not add in our diet. These are some very easy diet rules which you need to follow. You must practice yoga abhyas at least once a day and add some. In the evening, you may add some dancing or some music or anything that generates some happy hormones in you. Adapt all these simple lifestyle changes that we have mentioned in this video and make sure that you follow a proper hygiene. There are so many young girls who don't even know how to clean their private parts properly. So learn it from your mother or some expert that how do we need to maintain the basic hygiene and how we need to clean our private parts. If you have any other query, any other problem, do not hesitate to contact us. Send us your queries and we will come up with a wonderful solution definitely for your problem.